On September 6, 2025, officers responded to a residence regarding a domestic disturbance. Bodycam footage captures the immediate aftermath of an alleged knife assault and the arrest of the female suspect for battery on a peace officer.
Where's she at? In her room, still with that. Step by her room, okay? Step by her, man. You got any dogs or anything?
Taylor, she's nice.
Do you want me to take him to the car?
Weapons or anything on you?
Hi, pup.
Here, sweetie.
Step out there.
No.
For a second. Okay, what's going on? I got you. Is anything else, anybody else in the house, man?
He's a crybaby ass that likes to cheat on me.
Hey, stop. Oh my God. What's going on? What's your dog up, sir? I want to get bit. Hey, nothing. Listen, stop. What's going on today? I know, sorry about that. You can step in there and talk to him. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm not going to ask you again. Chill out. What's going on?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing in my front door.
Okay, but what's going on? Hey, stop.
Stop grabbing me.
Smack you in the face? I don't think so.
Huh?
Absolutely not. Yep.
The officer's conduct in this domestic violence response fully complies with constitutional standards. Under the Fourth Amendment, law enforcement possess probable cause to arrest for assault involving a deadly weapon and the independent offense of battery on a peace officer. This battery on officer charge stands regardless of the victim's preference to pursue additional charges. The Supreme Court in Graham versus Connor established that the reasonableness of police actions must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene.
All right, man.
What up?
Do you want EMS?
No,
Or
it's
anything,
just a
or
little
medical?
nick. She was just
Okay.
swinging and it barely nicked me.
You
I'm
kind of.
like, Yeah,
So,
I was trying to go for the arm. I'd rather charge a gun than a knife.
yeah.
And yeah, she just got me a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Let me. Did she get you anywhere else, or just?
Not that I know of.
Okay. You care? Here, turn around. I'm gonna just double check, make sure.
You know, you
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick.
sorry, I'm shaking.
You're fine, man. Alrighty. So from the very beginning,
Woke up.
whenever.
Took
Okay.
a piss.
Okay.
Apparently she went through my phone. I have a contact, Jay. I have a friend named Jay. She deleted every single female on my phone.
Okay.
Because, I mean, I had to do the same thing just because, given the same treatment she was giving me.
Yeah.
Woke up, went to go piss. She freaked out saying, "Who the f is Jay? This is Jasmine. This is Jasmine." I'm like, "I don't know. You deleted her off my phone. I do have a buddy named Jay."
Okay.
She called.
Yeah.
My buddy didn't answer. His girl answered. And so she freaked out. And she said, I told you. Grab the knife from in there. And then I tried calling you guys once. And it's like, no, I'm just going to call her mom. Her mom was like, can you text me? I'm like,
Yeah.
She's got a knife. I'm just going to call the cops.
Yeah. Yeah.
Her mom usually can calm her down. But she was a knife. And
Yeah. No, you did the right thing. 100%. You did the right thing. So.
You want us to pursue charges on her for this?
no, she just needs to get back on her meds.
So you don't want to pursue charges for her stabbing you?
I mean, it's a little nick. I'm not.
It's up to you, man. Hey, it's anyone wants to contact. It does not matter.
Yeah.
I mean, she's going to jail regardless. She fought one of our officers. She's going to jail.
Jesus.
Yeah. So it's if you want to pursue charges against her. Completely up to you.
No, let her deal with that. I just needed a witness. I mean, I can't. I'm not going to hit a. I'm sorry, I'm not going to hit a girl.
Well, that's what I know.
Crazy. I mean,
I'm not. I'll be honest. I haven't been on too long, but I do know that that's it for now.
Yeah. No,
Is this the first time she's ever done anything like this?
I have pictures on my phone of her on my face. That was the first time I should have called you guys.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just gonna call her mom.
So there's
It was a bigger one than that, but yeah,
a bigger one?
I didn't know that one was in there too. I bet it's between the bed and the wall.
so there's a history of this
Yeah,
I've heard-
she is
doing this.
not with just me, but with the other dudes, and yeah, I guess I just got tired of it.
And then are you guys dating
Yeah,
or
we're dating.
okay? How long have you guys been dating?
Since like Super Bowl of last year.
Okay.
Of this year, actually.
Okay.
So not that long, and it's been literally it's been on and off because of her wanting to fight and just cause
Yeah.
problems.
Yeah. So does she live here too?
Yeah, that's her room.
Okay.
She has a roommate, Jared, who also helps pay out the rent.
Yeah.
He's in St. Louis. He's like an electrician right now. He
Okay.
Come here.
I get that.
Few days.
Did dispatch get your information and everything?
I don't think so. I was just too busy on the phone with you guys.
No, I get it. 100%, man.
Kayla Hopper, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
How long have you been dating?
Since like it's been literally on and off. This is probably the 8th
Since Super Bowl.
of like February.
Gotcha.
Whenever the Super Bowl was.
All right. So what's your name and date of birth?
It's just a little neck.
Oh. Wow.
It's
Marion
not
18, I got
sharp
one by
knife,
name and date of
but,
birth.
I mean, she just. I don't know if you can grab it.
You want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm fine.
The responding officers receive an A for their professionalism, thorough evidence collection, and strict respect for constitutional procedures. The male victim receives a B+ for his immediate reporting and full cooperation with law enforcement without physical retaliation. The female suspect receives a D for her use of a deadly weapon and assault on an officer, clear violations of state battery statutes.
So like actual chef's knife is what it looks like?
Yeah, it's like a miniature
Thick
chef knife.
Miniature.
Yeah, it's
What colors, remember?
black and silver, just like that one, but it's the blade is a little bit thicker.
10-9.
Your tetanus up to date?
I wasn't too sure. Last time I got my tetanus shot was in the Army, and that was in 2019, I think.
So where exactly did it happen? Did it happen in
It
the living
happened
room?
literally right here.
Okay, kind of in the hallway.
Yeah, right here is whenever she actually started swinging, and then
Okay.
you were right there, and that's whenever I tried to grab her hand, and she got my pinky.
So she was back where you are, and you were
She was
where
right
I am.
here. She was right where you're
Okay.
at, and I was trying to walk out, calling the phone. Well, she had my phone, was threw it at the wall, and I
Okay.
grabbed it, and then she grabbed the knife, and yeah.
Okay, so you were
Walking
back there
out, yeah.
walking out,
Yeah.
and she was
Right
right
there.
here next to the couch,
Yeah.
and was
She swung about 4 times right there.
Okay.
And the one time got me on the pinky, and
Yeah.
then the other times I just called you guys.
Yeah. That's a good thing to do. Rough time frame. You know when the yelling started. When
Oh, literally within 5 minutes of me calling you guys. I called you guys the first time. That was immediately when it started happening because I'm not
Yeah.
dealing with the knife.
Uh-huh.
Then I called her mom. Her mom didn't answer twice. And then I called
Okay.
you guys again.
all right,
Yeah, that
I
time
think
frame
we got
was
all we need.
literally-
What
Then-
kind of car does your mom drive?
A Lexus.
Lexus. Okay.
Black
There's a
Lexus.
white Chrysler out here. One thing.
and then what does I'm sorry. Do you want to press charges on that?
Yeah, she can do it with a song with cop. I'll be fine with a little pinky.
All right,
All right, man.
that works.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Have
Key lessons learned. Domestic violence situations involving weapons require immediate police contact for safety. Victims facing repeated violence should document incidents and seek professional support services to break the cycle. Law enforcement must continue prioritizing scene safety, de-escalation, and complete documentation in every high-risk domestic call. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching,